The HD100 is a fuel cell system designed to provide green power energy to any application. It's also been developed for stationary applications, for powering data centers, off-grid, and it can also be used in marine and rail.
One of the benefits of intelligent energy evaporatively cooled design of the fuel cell stack is that because we inject water directly into the cells in the stack to do the cooling, we don't need a humidifier.
This reduces reliance on battery systems to manage peak loads. This then optimizes system response and reliability. The fuel cell system is a modular design system and can be scaled up to megawatt power scales. Our patented EC technology enables fast transient response, which for the customer means they can draw power faster than traditional fuel cells. The Drive fuel cell system achieves in excess of 60 kilowatts per second, which is class leading. We remove the heat from the stack using the cathode flow air, which enables the integrator to harness that heat and massively increase the efficiency of the system.
The actual fuel cell can be much more compact in terms of power density, reduce mass, reduce volume. The fuel cell allows clean energy, clean power. If you're using green hydrogen produced from electrolysis from photovoltaics, it's true end-to-end clean technology with no emissions.
We use fewer parts than, say, diesel technology, so there's less maintenance and less cost involved, and improves the reliability as there's fewer components to fail.
Here at IA with our PEM fuel cell technology, we absolutely believe we're helping our customers around the globe hit their sustainability targets.